Welcome to our in-depth review of Sunscape Coco Punta Cana, a tropical paradise nestled along the stunning shores of the Dominican Republic. This sprawling all-inclusive resort promises sun, sand, and endless fun for families and couples alike. So grab your virtual sunscreen as we dive into everything this Caribbean gem has to offer. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Sunscape Coco Punta Cana boasts an impressive 1055 rooms and suites, each designed to be your personal oasis after a day of beach hopping and pool splashing. The standard rooms are cozy havens, typically ranging from 30 to 40 square meters, offering a perfect blend of comfort and Caribbean charm. Picture yourself waking up to the gentle rustle of palm trees or the soothing sound of waves. That's the kind of view you can expect from most rooms here. And let's not forget the modern amenities. Free Wi-Fi that's faster than a speeding beach ball. We're talking 250 plus Mbps, a minibar stocked with complimentary goodies, because who doesn't love free snacks, and cable TV for those rare moments when you're not soaking up the sun. The bathrooms come equipped with everything you need to wash off the sand and get ready for a night of entertainment, including a hairdryer powerful enough to tame even the wildest beach air. For those looking to splurge a little, the suites offer more space to spread out, perfect for families or friends who want to stay together without tripping over each other's flip-flops. While the exact sizes aren't specified, maybe they're too busy measuring their cocktails, you can bet these suites are roomy enough to do a happy dance in. And the views? Let's just say the oceanfront suites might make you consider a career change to professional sunbather. Now let's talk about the most important part of any vacation, the food. Sunscape Coco Punta Cana takes the all-inclusive concept seriously, offering a smorgasbord of dining options that'll make your taste buds do the cha-cha. With multiple restaurants to choose from, you could eat at a different spot every day of the week and still not hit them all. From international buffets that span the globe to specialty restaurants serving up local Caribbean delicacies, there's something to satisfy every craving. Imagine starting your day with a breakfast spread that puts your local diner to shame, then lounging by the pool with a fresh seafood lunch, and ending the evening with a romantic dinner under the stars. And the best part? No reservations required. It's like the restaurant gods heard our prayers and said, "Let there be spontaneity." For those moments when you need a little liquid refreshment, the bars scattered throughout the resort have got you covered. From swim-up bars where you can sip without ever leaving the pool, talk about efficiency, to lounges perfect for watching the sunset, you're never far from your next pina colada. And don't worry, they haven't forgotten about the little ones. Mocktails are available for the kiddos, ensuring everyone feels like a VIP. The dress code is refreshingly casual, so you can focus on enjoying your meal rather than worrying if your flip-flops match your evening wear. When it comes to cooling off, Sunscape Coco Punta Cana doesn't mess around. With 6 outdoor swimming pools, you might start to feel more like a fish than a tourist. There's a pool for every mood. Want to relax? There's a quiet pool for that. Looking to make a splash? Head to the activity pool. And for the kids or the young at heart, there's a dedicated children's pool complete with water slides that'll have them squealing with delight. Sun loungers and umbrellas stuff the pool areas, ensuring you can work on your tan or hide from it in comfort. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, the beach. Stretching along the resort's frontage, this white sandy paradise is what Caribbean dreams are made of. The calm waters of Cabeza de Toro are perfect for families, and water sports enthusiasts will find plenty to keep them entertained. While the specifics of water activities aren't spelled out, maybe they're written in sand, you can bet on options like snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding being available. Beach service includes loungers, towels, and waitstaff, so you can live out your castaway fantasies without ever having to lift a finger, except to signal for another drink, of course. For those who like to stay active on vacation, we see you, and we respect your willpower. Sunscape Coco Punta Cana has got you covered. The fitness center is equipped with all the standard machines and equipment you need to work off last night's dessert buffet. But let's be honest, who wants to be inside when you're in paradise? That's why they offer yoga classes and fitness sessions that let you get your sweat on while enjoying the tropical breeze. For a different kind of rejuvenation, the Spa by Pavonia is a sanctuary of relaxation, offering treatments like reflexology, sports massages, body wraps, and facials, It's the perfect place to pamper yourself after a hard day of, well, relaxing. While they don't explicitly mention saunas or steam rooms, it's a safe bet that you'll find ways to sweat out the toxins, or just the excess rum from last night's beach party. And speaking of parties, the resort keeps the fun going with daily entertainment options. From live music performances that'll have you dancing under the stars to themed nights celebrating local culture, there's always something happening. It's like a non-stop festival, minus the mud and overpriced water bottles. Now, let's talk about the little vacationers. Sunscape Coco Punta Cana understands that happy kids mean happy parents, which is why they've gone all out with their kids club and activities. The supervised playtime programs are tailored by age group, running from morning until early evening. This means parents can enjoy some much-needed adult time, secure in the knowledge that their little ones are having the time of their lives. From arts and crafts to beach games and even mini discos, the Kids Club is like a vacation within a vacation for the younger set. And let's not forget the family-friendly layout of the resort. It's designed so that everyone from toddlers to teenagers, and yes, even those hard-to-please adults, can find their happy place. While it might be tempting to never leave the resort, we wouldn't blame you. The surrounding area of Punta Cana has some gems worth exploring. Just a short drive away, you'll find the Bavaro Adventure Park, where you can zip line through the treetops and pretend you're on a tropical version of Indiana Jones. For nature lovers, the Indigenous Eyes Ecological Park offers a chance to explore lush trails and crystal-clear lagoons. Shopaholics can get their fix at the Palma Real Shopping Village, while those looking for a taste of local nightlife can head to downtown Punta Cana. The hotel can arrange excursions to these spots, so you don't have to worry about navigating Dominican traffic. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. Overall, Sunscape Coco Punta Cana strikes a balance between family-friendly fun and grown-up relaxation. With its recent renovations, the resort has addressed some of the wear and tear that comes with being a popular destination, though some guests note that there's still room for improvement in certain areas. The staff consistently receives high marks for their friendliness and helpfulness, often going above and beyond to ensure guests have a memorable stay. The sheer variety of activities and dining options means you're unlikely to hear the dreaded "I'm bored" from anyone in your group, regardless of age. What really makes Sunscape Coco Punta Cana stand out is its commitment to providing a comprehensive, all-inclusive experience without nickel-and-diming guests. The no-reservation policy for restaurants is a refreshing change from many resorts, where securing a dinner spot can feel like entering a lottery. The multiple pools and extensive beachfront mean that even during busy periods, you can usually find a quiet spot to call your own. And for families, the balance of kid-friendly activities with adult amenities ensures that parents can have their cake and eat it too, sometimes literally, at the dessert buffet. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.